How to remove your payment method from Google Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can delete or remove your payment details from your Google Play Store. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now when you purchase an app on the Google Play Store, you are required to actually enter your payment information, and when you add a card or maybe debit or credit card or some of the payment option, it is going to get linked with your Google Play Store account, which means also your Google account. In order to remove that, you have to go ahead and then open up your Play Store application, then tap on your Google profile photo from the top right hand side of the screen, and you want to simply go to the option called payments and subscriptions. Once you go to payments and subscriptions, at the very top you'll find the option called payment methods, and as you go to payment methods over here, you'll be able to see the details that you've added. So in my case, you can see I've added one payment method to my Google Pay account, and if I want to remove it, I would have to tap on the more payment settings option. As I do that, the app is going to redirect me to a web browser of my Google Play Store account, and after that you'll be taken to the Google Pay homepage, where you'll be able to see other cards that you've added, and you can see the Visa card that I've added personally. If I want to remove it, just tap on the remove button, and it'll ask you for a pop-up confirmation. All you have to do is confirm the changes by tapping on the blue remove button again, and as you can see, no payment methods yet. And that's all it takes to go ahead and remove your payment methods from Google Play Store. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.